Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's code for fun. And today we are going to see how to log into an SSH server. So there are basically two methods. The first is the conventional method of using username and password, and the other one is using passwordless SSH, which we will see in this video itself. So yes, let's get started. So first of all, so this is my server, and this is actually my Android phone on which I'm running an SSH server. So as you can see, if I'm doing ping, it is responding me back. So the server is up and running. So now let's try to log into this server. The SSH server is running on port 8022. So I'll write SSH minus p. Okay, so 8022, and this is my IP address. So let's try to run this. So it is asking for the password. So my username is Mohit, and the password it will ask. So I'll give the password. So yeah, so as you can see that I have logged into my SSH server. For now, so I can do, like, I can see what pwd command does and what ls. So there's nothing here. So anyway, I will exit the server. So I can do write exit exit, and the connection to server is closed. So sometime what can happen is that you will be having your local machine and there will be multiple servers, like 3 to 4 servers, and you will be regularly accessing them. So it is one thing which can do is that you can set the same password for all of the servers, which is like highly risky. So instead what we can do is we can use a passwordless login. So here you don't have to set password, and you have to set the password for each of the servers just for once. So let's see how do we establish SSH passwordless login. So first of all, we do SSH keygen. So let me first write this command, SSH keygen -t RSA, which means it will be generating the key of type RSA, and -b 4096. Basically we are specifying the number of bytes which is used to generate the number of bytes of the public key generated. So let's try to run this. So generating public private key here. So it is asking enter file in which you have to say. I'll leave it default. I'll press the return or enter key. It is saying that it already exists. Should I overwrite? I'll press yes. Why? Enter passphrase. I'll leave it empty for now. I will leave it empty. So now my password, so my public and private key is generated. If I do an ls on this directory, you can, if I open the content of this directory, you can see the private key. If you open the content of this, you can see the public key. So now what I have to do is that I have to copy my public key to the remote server. So I can do it manually, or I can do it using SSH copy ID command itself. So let's use this copy ID command, SSH copy ID, and my SSH is running on port 8022 on that machine. And okay, what was that? So this is my IP address of my remote server. So it is saying that, so it is asking for the password of the remote server. This is the first time, so it will ask help, and so it is saying that number of keys added to. Now try to log in into that machine with SSH -p 8022. So now you can see that I will have to I'll run the same command which I was trying to run again previously. So I'll try to SSH into this machine and see if I can log in without entering any password. So yeah, as you can see now that now I can log into this machine without using that password. So yeah, I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I hope you guys will use it, because unless you use it practically you will forget it, and might not be of much use to you. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and goodbye, take care.